what's going on? It's Mr. DS18, and thank you guys for tuning in to another unboxing video. Check out what we have here. The new Harley Davidson amp kits. We got Amp Kit 8 and Amp Kit 4. Specifically designed for the Harley Davidson. Check this out. It's the RY-KIT.HD. We got the 8 gauge and we got the 4 gauge. Let's open these guys up so you guys can check them out. Let's start off with the 8 gauge. So what's in the box? Check this out. We got a complete 8 gauge OFC kit. We got the terminal, ring terminal already attached to it. It's already built for you. It comes with the fuse holder, waterproof fuse holder. Let's open it up and see it inside. Check it out. It has two 20 amp fuses. It comes with the Allen key, so if you need to replace the fuses, click in, locked. So you got power wire, then you got some remote wire with a quick disconnect. There you go. And then you got ground. It's already on a ring terminal, completely in black. Then it turns into an end tip ready to go to the amplifier. And you got the 8 gauge kit set for you, OFC. It also comes with these grommets for the amps to make it easy connection. Then we got the 4 gauge. 4 gauge wire. Check it out. Let's start off with the power wire. You got the power wire right here. Bigger fuse holder. Let's open it up. So this has a mini-ANL fuse, 120 amperes. It also has the Allen key attached to it. You can see waterproof, so it won't corrode, it won't damage it. You got the ring terminal attached to it already, soldered in. Then we got the whole 4 gauge ready to go inside the amplifier. That's the power wire. Remote wire as well, ready to go. And then we got the ground. Ground's already with the terminal, completely wrapped in black. Then ready to go inside the amplifier. 4 gauge OFC kit on both of them. Make sure you guys check it out. Thank you for tuning in to another unboxing video. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.